Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from Go Academy. Great job this weekend at the GOHMATH teacher webinar. Use this action plan to help you with your studies to get ready for your math exam. Take care team. Bye-bye.
Who in the group is taking the test for the first time? Everyone that's saying me now, you're taking it for the first time. I had a feeling this is a new group of teachers. So this is an action plan. And I want you to hear me on the action plan. This is not my first rodeo with working with teachers. It's really important to have an action plan between now and your test. And I want you to stick to the plan. And I'm just going to give you 3 things to do. And we want to do these 3 things because we want to win, right? Who wants to win? Yes or no? So we got to do these 3 things. If you can't do these 3 things, that's fine. But I want you to win, and so I'm going to give you the 3 things that I think that would be really helpful. 3 things. Number 1, I want everyone, number 1, to read your packet. Can everyone do that? Review your packets. Let's write down 2 times. Read over your packets. Give me a thumbs up. Do every question and then do it again. Okay? Understand the concepts, look at the pictures, get that general knowledge bubbling in your head. Number 2, very practical, very super practical. Watch those class recordings. And how long do you have to watch those class recordings? What's the time frame? You have until next Sunday. So you have 7 days. I mean, technically you've had 7 days on Monday, on Saturday and Sunday. But Sunday, what is it? November 20th, 10 p.m. So you have, you still have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You still got some time to watch anything that was missed. Can I get a big yes there? This is going to be hard for teachers here. I'm going to say on Monday, the 21st, I'm going to say no, because the videos are going to be gone. It really is these days, because team, this week is literally this week. This is the week to study. This is your golden pocket. The next few days, are when the ideas are going to be fresh in your head. You're going to be able to bring yourself to another level. Between now, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you should be able to bring yourself to the next level, and you're going to be really into the math. Who hears me? So you got to study this week. So that's what the action plan is forcing you to do. Steps 1 and 2, the benefit is when you do them the week after the class, because reading the packet should be really clear, and doing the recordings should be reinforce everything that we did. Team, if you wait till a week from now or 2 weeks from now to read the packet, you'll be like, what was he saying here? I didn't have it in my notes. Who hears me? I don't get it. Because half this class was auditory. It wasn't on the page. It was in the conversation. So please, please, please read the packet a few times. Watch those recordings. Step 3. And I'm going to do step 3. Some of you have done the pre-workshop homework, and some of you have not. Who has done the pre-workshop homework? Who has finished the videos? So guess what? If you have finished the videos, if you've done the videos, then I think it's time that you do the practice exams, right? So if you're done with the videos, done the pre-workshop homework, then you do practice exams 1 and 2. Thumbs up. You try and get around 80 to 85%. And you make sure you can fix them and watch those videos to clarify them. That is if you've done the pre-workshop homework. Step 3, if you have not done the pre-workshop homework and you want to do the pre-workshop homework again, that's fine. But this time around, if you're doing the pre-workshop homework, you're solving the problem and checking the answer, not listening to me go through it again. You read it, you solve it, you get it wrong, you check check the video, but don't watch the video like a recording. I would like you to get to the point where you're doing the practice exams and like you do 10 questions and then check your work. So at some point you want to fit this in, or you want to do the pre-workshop homework like you're doing a test. Thumbs up. So we have read the packet. Step 1, 2 times. Watch the class recordings by Sunday. And step 3, test yourself. Do a scrimmage. Just like Carly does scrimmages. She does a scrimmage. And as you do these, hopefully you're going to get you're going to become more and more aware of what you need to fix, and you're going to fix them, and you're going to work the stuff that you're really good at. The pre-workshop homework page you can use at any time. Those videos you can use at any time. Okay? Okay. When I say the packet, team, who received the packet? And this is the packet that you have, right? It's the packet with the problems that we've been doing the last 3 days, yes? It's the presentation I've been giving you. It's the only packet I know of. And you have one more day to print it off if you haven't printed it off. But the packet is the packet that we've been doing the last 3 days, yes? So that's the one I'm talking about. All right. Team, don't focus on getting better and stronger, fixing things, not fearing things, fixing things and working it. All right. Team, did you have fun? Did you get something out of this class? The only piece of advice, the secret tip I can give you right now is to win. That's what you have to do right now. So I need you to do those 3 things, okay? And win. And please, please, please let me know how your exams go, all right? I would love to hear back from everyone, okay? Thank you so much, team. Everyone have a great evening. Thank you, team. Thank you so much. All right, keep me posted, everyone. Everyone have a great night. If you enjoyed the class, tell a friend, and I look forward to hearing from everyone. Thank you, team. Bye-bye.
Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from Go Academy. This spring, Go Academy is turning all the workshops into webinars. These classes are going to be covering the same material as a regular workshop. We're going to do them in 7 hours, and they're held on Saturdays and Sundays in the morning. I encourage you to check out a webinar. I'm sure you'll find them very helpful.